A. A again. Oh, A. Oh, B. Ganyan. Oh, C. Go. Okay, D. Straight line. D. E. Go. E. Okay, F. F.
Oh no.
F. Okay, haba naman. F. G. Like this. G. H. Here. I. Ganyan. Igloo, yeah. Very good. A. H. I. J. Wrong.
No.
Like this, oh.
J.
Ay. Ayusin mo. J. No, hindi like that. You hook like this, oh. Oh. J. K. Straight line. And then K. Oh, L. It's okay na yan. K. Oh. K. Perfectionist, di naman kaya. Oh. K. Oh, hold the pen. K. Straight line. Straight line. K. Oh, L. L. Okay, M. L. Straight line. M. N. O.
Oh no.
It's okay.
Oh no.
Hindi ganyan.
Yes.
Capital letter N. And straight line. N.
Oh no.
Oh no talaga eh. Oh, go. N. N. Oh, O. Oh, very good. P. Okay, Q. Okay, R. Like P. No, like that. R, straight line. Like P, oh. Ay, again. Ah, ako na. Okay. R, S. S, like this, S. S. Oh, T. T. Okay. Baliktad. Oh no, T. Hindi. T. U. V. Oh, W. Go.
Oh no.
W. X. Okay. Y. Z. Okay. Again. It's wrong one. Like this. Okay. High five. What's this, girl? It's alphabet. Oh, can you point? Can you sing?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
U, V.
W, X, Y,
Now I know my ABC.
and I want to sing with me.
You very good.